Derma rolling, also known as microneedling, has gained popularity due to the increasing scientific proof that it helps promote hair regrowth. Now, you can achieve these same results from home with the Bauman MD Preppy Elite Suite Scalp Serum Delivery System. Before you begin, ensure your Preppy Elite Suite toolkit is intact, clean, and sterile. Choose your microneedling tool with the desired depth and attach it to the wand handle. Apply your topical scalp solution, prescription, or serum to the desired treatment area. Roll the scalp carefully using gentle but very firm strokes, vertically, horizontally, and diagonally for 5 to 10 times each. Congratulations! You've taken a proactive step towards enhanced hair growth and healthier scalp. Enjoy the benefits of home microneedling with Bauman MD's Preppy Elite Suite. To purchase the Bauman MD Preppy Elite Suite, click the link below.